Welcome everyone back to the channel. So today Tristan and I started finishing up our posts, setting our posts inside of our garden fence. So we got all those cut and everything. We have 10 more to put in tomorrow. Then we're gonna go ahead and start working on actually tilling up our garden beds, our rows, and actually working on fencing our poles that we set. So in a minute I'll fly the drone out there and show you a little update of the farm coming from our frontmost field all the way through. It'll look pretty cool. But first, Tristan and I need to take care of our chickens for this afternoon. Already did it this morning. So that's what we're going to show you. They're currently eating about 7 pounds of feed a day. So they're getting very large. Just super excited. We'll have our garden fenced off, ready to go by probably midweek next week. So today is Wednesday. Everything should be done probably around this weekend or so. And then I'll start sun hardening our plants, our seedlings. They've already grown so much. I'll show you all that Friday in Friday's video. So far I'm looking probably around 95% germination. So super proud of that. That's really good. That's really awesome. Good seed so far. And then another thing that we're going to tackle next week is probably our watering for our actual garden. So we have a project of that. And then Tristan and I also sometime probably at the end of next week, probably around Thursday, Friday, depending on where we get our watering situation done, we got to start working on our mobile coop for our chickens. Because they're almost ready to be put out into pasture. Our count of our chickens, if you're new to the channel, is we have 93 Isa Browns. We have 6 guinea hens. So we have 99 birds in total that we'll be putting out to pasture in the next week or two. So we're about to take care of their feed and their water, show you that. I'll put y'all down in there so y'all can see how big they are. I don't think there's anything in there that you can really get a perspective of how big they are compared to something else, but they look really cool on camera, so I want to show y'all. So as you can see, we've definitely got some birds. That's their hanging feeder that we've been using. Another part of their brooder. I'll put y'all down in there so y'all can see them while we're feeding them. We've been checking their water at least twice a day. They get it dirty because they're perching on it. We built a perch to put inside of that other side, but they're still getting in it and they're still pooping in it, putting a few of their wood chips in it. But we'll just take it out, clean it. It's super quick, super easy. Refill up their reservoir, set it to equalize pressure, equalize level, and then it'll self-feed depending on how much water they actually drink. So put y'all down in there, let y'all hang out with them for a few minutes while we're dealing with their feed, and then I'll meet y'all back afterwards. like our chickens. It's a little windy out here right now, but Tristan and I set another, what was it, like 12 or 13 poles today. We had to dig, what was it, like 12 or 13 more holes today. So that's kind of funny. But tomorrow we're gonna go ahead, finish putting in those last, what is it, 9 poles. We're going to backfill the holes for our poles, and we're going to go ahead and tamp it, and then we're going to start tilling up our actual rows for our garden. And while one of us are doing that, the other person is going to start working on actually wiring our fence. So it'll be pretty cool. We're going to be doing a 2-foot section of chicken wire from ground floor, and then we're going to be doing strands of barbed wire above that every 9 or 10 inches to protect from deer jumping over it. So it'll be a really cool fence to protect our crops. Like I said before, this garden right now is for the meantime. Our end goal is to have at least 2 high tunnels out here, or we might be building a giant actual greenhouse to span this. I was actually talking to my dad today about it. It just depends on if we go ahead and pull the trigger on getting a sawmill or not. So I think we might, so that'll be really cool. It'll be super interesting. But yeah, really liking the schedule of 3 times a week uploading. Let me know down in the comment below if you think the video quality is getting better, the content. Got a lot of projects coming up. It's gonna be super busy. In Friday's video, I'll show some of my seedlings. They're getting very close to needing to be planted, so super excited about that. I'll post a few pictures on Instagram tomorrow for everybody to see, so if you follow us on Instagram, you can see that. But yeah, super excited. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for investing your time with us. It means a lot. If you like our stuff, like it and then share it. Share it with your friends, share it with your cousins, share it with your family, whatever. Get them to come check us out on here and take the journey with us as well. It's much appreciated. We just want to grow this channel, grow our community, interact with more people, learn from more people. So if you have any insight or any skills or anything like that, that you have knowledge that you've acquired, let us know and we'll talk back and forth and we'll just have a good old time. So thank y'all so much, and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all Friday, guys. All right, see ya.